This is not Dubai, not Johannesburg, not Singapore. This is Nairobi, Kenya. And the skyline you're about to see is changing faster than most people realize. Every year, Nairobi grows higher, bolder, and more ambitious. From the heart of the CBD to Upper Hill and Westlands, Nairobi has quietly transformed into one of Africa's most impressive modern skylines. These buildings are more than just concrete and glass. They tell stories of money, power, government, business, and vision. In today's video, we are taking you on a journey through the top 10 tallest and most iconic buildings in Nairobi. We'll break down how tall they are, when they were built, who owns and manages them, and what really happens inside these towers. From government offices and banks to luxury residences and global cooperation. Whether you are a Nairobi local, a real estate lover, or just curious about how this city is rising, this video is for you. So guys, sit back, enjoy the views, and let's start from the very top. And number one, we have the Britam Towers. Standing tall above Upper Hill, the Britam Towers is Nairobi's modern crown, a shimmering prism of glass and steel that redefines the city skyline when it opened in 2017. At just 200 meters and some 32 floors, Britam isn't just tall, it was designed to be symbolic, a beacon for Kenyan growing financial and cooperative sector. As you approach, notice how the building's faces catch light differently, an architectural gesture that makes the tower look like it's shivering as you move around it. Now, we are in Westlands, looking up at the Global Trade Center Office Tower, a modern vertical city that changed expectation for mixed-use development in Nairobi. At roughly 184 meters with over 40 floors, the GTC Office Tower sits at the heart of a larger complex that mixes offices, a shopping mall, and a residency. So, the skyline here isn't just about single towers, it is a full of urban ecosystem. The Old Mutual, or the UAP Tower, is one of the Upper Hill's early signals that Nairobi has entered a new era of high-rise corporate buildings. Rising to roughly 160 meters with about 33 floors, this tower was for years the tallest in the city before newer project appeared. Its core mission is straightforward: premium office space. Here you will find finance, insurance, and professional services firm occupying efficient floor split designed for modern corporate operations. '88 Nairobi is Nairobi's statement about luxury vertical living. Unlike the previous office, Focus Towers, 88 is a residential condominium, a vertical neighborhood designed for executives who want to live close to the district they work in. Rising to roughly 150 meters, the tower stacks apartment, amenities, and social space so residents can eat, exercise, and entertain without leaving the building. Expect a sunset deck, gym, pools, and lounges, features that developers pitched to appeal to Nairobi's growing number of professionals. Prism Tower's name gives away its visual trick. Faceted geometry and sharp edges that catch light in a dramatic way. At around 133 meters with mid-30s floors, Prism is a contemporary office tower that emphasizes architectural personality alongside usable office space. Bunge Towers belongs to the state. It's built for Kenya legislature and not for commerce. After many years under construction, the new parliamentary towers was completed and became the functional home for MPs and parliamentary staffs in 2024.